Have you ever seen a Tesla iPhone supercharger? Well, now you have. And I saw this online on one of the sharing sites that shows plans, and I just had to get it. So I downloaded it for free. I'll put the link in the description for you and started printing it. I did have some issues there with the red, but I made sure to use a clean plate and to separate the items. I do try to place too many parts together on the same plate to save on time and not having to manage cleaning it up and pulling out things out. But essentially, I printed it more like the way that they designed it. And as you can see here, there's some interesting ways that it connects to the plate too, and you have to kind of break it apart and get rid of those supports or brims. And I was able to put any cable that I wanted inside here as long as it fit. Essentially, any USB-C cable in this case worked. You could probably use other types of USB as well. And on top of that, I'll show you here kind of how each piece fit together. Is pretty slick design that someone did and was able to spend the time building it, testing it, and then putting it out for us to be able to download for free. It's a pretty sweet community of designers that are available making this type of thing and being extremely creative. So it's pretty awesome to see something like this. And so I thought this was pretty neat, and you can essentially print one yourself and have it for free as well. So pretty cool stuff, and I will make sure that all details are in the description there. And I hope you found this video interesting, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, and we'll make sure to get you more content just like this. Thanks.